My brother showed me this stuff. He's real big into wiring and he loves it. He'd be looking at this right now, just salivating everywhere. Oh boy, wires. Yeah, I love wiring. All right, I already kind of started this job. 2007 Toyota Tacoma. Had a intermittent blower motor issue going on. It would work on high, and sometimes it would work on the lower speeds. But so I done some checking, looked at all these connectors. That one looked good, the one that plugs into the blower motor up here. And then you got your resistor up here, and the plug that plugs into it. Let me get the focus. Looked awful. It'd been getting really hot. And that seemed to be what was causing the issue, so I ordered a blower motor kit. Comes with a new resistor up there. And a new pigtail for this. And I got a new blower motor on the way. There's the resistor. Looks like that terminal C right there is kind of been getting hot. I definitely know the connector has been getting hot. You can see that from there. Let's see if we can speed this up a little bit. AutoZone got anyways, get that started. This flip it. Sorry if the audio is not good. It's kind of hot today, so I got the fan on. See if I can get this resistor back up in there. Couple of these. Here's the new blower motor. Part number PM9297. It's also made in China. Imagine that. We'll go ahead and we're going to do one wire at a time, which is the smartest way to do it. That way you can't get them screwed up. Get this trash out of the way. Here's the new connector. Plenty of wire. We may snip some of that off. We don't need that much. But before we do, we're going to plug it in, make sure it plugs in like so. Oh yeah, perfect. brother showed me this stuff. He's real big into wiring and he loves it. He'd be looking at this right now, just salivating everywhere. Oh boy, wires. Yeah, I love wiring.